Hey YouTube, this is Corey from KP Aquariums. Wanted to do a quick video today, show you my fish room real fast and kind of let you know what I'm working with, tell you a little bit about it. We are in northern Utah. This fish room isn't my work, so I get to squeeze in tank maintenance and water changes when I can. All the noise in the background is the 2 racks of servers that I have providing heat for the room. The whole room stays about 78, so I don't need a single heater in any of my tanks. Pushing about 28 tanks right now, and let me show you. Okay, here's one of the racks of servers. Here is one of my African cichlid tanks. We had gone to Live Fish Direct a couple of weeks back, well, a few months back rather, and picked up 36 mixed African cichlids, and I got some more in this tank down here. And what we've done is just basically split them up into a few tanks as they've been getting bigger. Up here is a 55. I have a killer rope fish that we got from this auction that we went to this last weekend in here. And some cool little plecos that we got as well. I also have some kind of wicked algae and cyanobacteria going on in here, so that's about to get treated. Over here I have some angelfish that I picked up from the auction. These guys will soon all be going home with me. Over here is one of my guppy breeding tanks. You can see I got a bunch of fry in here already. Also have snails going nuts. Down here is an Endler live bear tank. I got a couple of Cory catfish down here, a couple of small plecos, and a bunch of fry. And here is my breeding pair of blue-eye cutter-eye. One of them is inside that tube right there. The other one's hiding back there behind that filter. But they've already produced a ton of fry for me. This is one of my hybrid experiment tanks. I have a male guppy and some female endlers in here, and they've already been producing fry for me, so that's fun. In here is just another little grow out tank for some fry. I already have a couple blue-eye cutter-eye fry down there. I think there's 4 of them in there. In this tank, aside from needing a serious cleaning, I have some tomato haps. Most of them are back there behind that filter there. There's another one hiding right there. In here I have, well, my 3-spot blue gourami. I have some because he was misbehaving in another tank, so I had to pull him out. There's also some African cichlids in here, which quite frankly, I'm not sure, but at Live Fish Direct they told us to keep these guys separate from the other ones, so I did. But there's a trio in here, 2 males, or a male and 2 females, and they haven't spawned or anything for me yet, so that's unfortunate. Up here I have some super red plecos and yellow labs. Hoping to get some spawning action on there soon. In here I got some goldfish. Used them initially to start cycling these tanks. Down here I have my pair of orange flash apistos that have not yet spawned for me. And then a bunch of these guys that, well, quite frankly, I don't even know what they are. Got them from auction. I don't know. Any help would be appreciated. Down here I have a breeding pair of, well, not breeding for me yet, but a pair of Pseudotropheus solosi. and a couple other cichlids that, again, I'm not quite sure what they are. But look at that male though, he's awesome. Up here's another 10-gallon. This is another hybrid experiment. I have an Endler male and guppy female in here, and some cherry shrimp. So there's a little hybrid experiment tank. Down here some killifish fry. A couple of my blue-eyed cutter-eye fry that didn't want to come out when we got them out of this tank. I got some cherry shrimp in here too. Look at that guy. He is awesome. That's a sweet shrimp right there. Alright. So the blue-eyed cutter-eye have produced a ton of fry for me. So this tank's probably got about 150 so fish in it. I don't know. Lots of fry. Here over here is my original Endler live bear breeding tank. I also have some yellow shrimp in here, and these guys are again just a ton of fry everywhere. Got a couple of killifish in here. We won't talk about this tank too much. I have some wicked cyanobacteria happening, so I got some treatment on order for that though. This up here is another, I might need some help on this. These guys are really awesome, but again, don't know exactly what they are. But, got them. I got some Julie DeChromis in here, and some cool plecos that we got from that auction. They're still pretty small. I had some wicked string algae in here, so that's what that UV filter is in the back, trying to get rid of that. Here's my electric blue Acara tank. Some of these guys are pretty awesome. Here's my other guppy breeding tank. So I got a ton of fry in here. I have a male and female bristlenose. I got some blue velvet shrimp. I got some pretty big size Amano shrimp in there. Bunch of snails. So that tank seems super happy. And last but not least, this is another 75-gallon. Got an OB. I got some flavescents. A bunch of blue ollies. Some snow whites. So yeah, I like these guys. So that's about it. I got 100-gallon out there in the hallway with some more African cichlids in it. As you can see, most of the tanks, or all of the tanks, have sponge filters, as well as some smaller hang-on-the-back filters we got a good deal on. I got a central air system running in here. All the lighting are primarily 4-foot LED tubes that we've gotten. That's pretty much it. That's all I got for you right now. Any big changes happen, I'll be doing some updates here in the future. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.